Well, it's supposed to storm really, really hard here in the next few hours. I wanted to show you something. I had to get some new work boots. So I got these old Wolverines. I think they're good work boots. I've had this pair, for like 4 years. Hold on just a second and I'll go grab them. I gotta walk over here in the van. I don't know what the hell that was all about. So I went out and I got me a brand new set of Wolverines today. So this is a brand new pair. It's only a few hours old. The things I like about these shoes is they last quite a while. The hard thing is that these are a bitch for me to break in. Getting them off for the first couple of weeks is pretty difficult. But I do a lot of tree climbing and stuff, so I like them. I don't like those little metal tabs that are on the side of boots. I cannot, how many times I've been walking and tripped and fell on my ass because of those metal tabs that are on the sides of work boots. Let me know if any of you guys have ever got your shoelaces caught up in those and did a face plant in the damn concrete, because that ain't fun. So I really do like these shoes here. Now this pair right here I've had for 4 years, and you can see that I've got a little bit of problem right here with them, and the back sole just fell off of them a few months ago. The other thing is I don't really have a light. Well, maybe I can turn this light on and show you. Got me a pair of socks. The left boot. So down here, the bottom part, let me see if I can, this part came out. Now what I'm talking about here, this happened 4 years after owning these, so they've definitely gotten their fair share of use. And this shoe held up pretty well. The tread, as far as 4 years worth of work at it, this is my left shoe, and my right shoe, the tread has held up really well on them. I mean, hell, if you get a pair from Walmart or something like that, you'd be running on slicks in 4 years. I don't even think you're going to make a pair of Walmart shoes last more than... The last pair of Walmart shoes I bought was 5 or 6 years ago, and I think I climbed like 2 trees and they just fell apart on me. So Wolverines are damn good work boots, and I'll probably have these until the year 2030. I think they're well worth it. Now, I think I paid $200 for those 4 years ago, and today these were $208 regular, but at Atwood's they were having a special, so it was 25% off. So I got these for $156. Well worth the damn money if you're working outside. They're a little warm, they're a little hard to break in. Those are the two negative things. But they've got that composite toe. It's not a steel toe. Great damn work boots. So what kind of work boots do you guys have, and what do you think of them? I'm a big fan of these Wolverine boots, and that's my review on them. Good day.